Hello everybody and welcome back to Little Tree Learning, an English learning channel for young learners or new beginners who want to learn or improve on their spoken English. Our lessons are designed to be short and concise in a lesson format for easy learning and understanding. You can pause the videos and practice the new words by yourself. Our topics are about learning new words, sounds, sentence structures, using English in a one-to-one roleplay, and reading skills. Please support our learning journey together by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Let's begin. Our lesson today is Phonics 5, short vowels, ib, id, ig, and in sounds. Ib, id, ig, in. Ib, id, ig, in. Ib, 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 bib. Ib, ib, rib. Bib, rib. Id, 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 kid. Id, id, lid. Kid, lid. Ig, 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 big. Ig, ig, wig. Big, wig. In, fin. In, pin. Fin, pin. Listen and say the sentence. The baby has a bib. The baby has a bib. The kid eats a rib. The kid eats a rib. The pot has a lid. The pot has a lid. The clown wears a wig. The clown wears a wig. The kid is big. The kid is big. The fish has a fin. The fish has a fin. Let's review the phonics sounds. ib, ib, bib. Ib, ib, rib. Id, id, kid. Id, id, lid. Ig, ig, big. Ig, ig, wig. In, fin. In, pin. We are at the end of our lesson. Thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date on new content. Have a great day and see you soon. Goodbye.